What is the common factor between societal problems such as pandemics, drugs resistance, food security, and the current biodiversity crisis? Evolution. These problems require long-term solutions and daily life choices informed by a better public understanding of evolution. However, several studies have shown that evolution is not understood or even accepted as a valid scientific theory by many people around the world. To overcome this, several researchers proposed evolutionary concepts to be explored from kindergarten onwards. However, little information is yet available regarding effective strategies to teach evolution in kindergarten and elementary schools. How can we best teach evolution to these students? To answer this question, we thought about the discovery process of Darwin and Wallace. According to Darwin, the discovery of natural selection took place in October 1838, when he
happened to read for amusement Malthus on population, and being well prepared to appreciate the struggle for existence, it at once struck me that under these circumstances, favorable variations will tend to be preserved and unfavorable ones to be destroyed. The result of this would be the formation of new species.
So, what if we could replicate Darwin's steps? Yeah, we know that in the classroom it is largely impossible to replicate all the specific situations Darwin faced. But in Eurocitizen, we created activities for students to explore Malthus' principle and put in action concepts that were important for the discovery of natural selection. But would this work? To answer this question, we designed, implemented, and evaluated an interdisciplinary educational activity planned for 4th graders that simultaneously explores natural selection and mathematical learning goals through a real problem. Students observed spider mites and estimated how many spider mites of 2 varieties, a citrus-feeding one and a bean-feeding one, would they have to show in other classrooms in 45 days. They mathematically estimated the population sizes of 2 varieties under unlimited resources and scarce resource conditions. Through this process, they learned and applied the important evolution key concepts and used the process of natural selection to explain their findings. This activity was applied to 2 classes. We used observation and students' productions to analyze how they solved the proposed problem. An evaluation framework was applied to estimate elementary school students' level of understanding of evolution by natural selection before and after engaging in the activity. We showed that this activity resulted in a significant increase in their understanding of evolution by natural selection. Our data also shows that differential reproduction is the key concept less often mentioned by students, suggesting that additional activities or changes to our activity are needed to improve their learning. Our work strongly supports that it is possible and important to explore evolution since elementary schools. We also provide an activity that can be used to learn about science and maths. Know more about this project here and visit Eurocitizen website to discover all our projects aimed at fostering evolution literacy. Do you want to be part of this team? Contact us.